Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So today I'm going to show you modern animation for the text. So what this means is this is animation for the text in a different way. So I will show you by proving how it will look. So this is how I'm going to show you how we can do this. So let's go ahead. First, I will just remove this and I will show you whatever I've done. So let's first add text, simple text, make it 150 because we do need that much. Was the letters are less and then only two words are there. Then we'll add a box which is a color one. We'll add this one and I will just make it of a less size. Let's make it a bit wider. Width has been increased. So now just give it this reveal from right like this. Okay. Then I'll just come back to back. Now what I will do is again add a box, but this time I will make it a slightly bigger from the current one in height as well as width. So this is how it is looking right now. So here I will doing it reveal but and the right, but I will here give it 0.3 as a delay. Okay, so this is with a delay, so it will be effective in the preview mode. I will show you. As you can see, it can be played here as well, just to show you. But here, as you you can't see much here. So now what I will do is we'll put the text in front. Yeah, currently it's front. I will just make it this. Okay. So now we'll add a animation to text. Let's take float from right. Okay. I will do it 4. So now it's time to check. Let's see. Okay. So I will just check. Review it. Okay. Yeah. So this is how it will look. So I hope you get it. I hope you understood it. I will again show you in the coming videos the different of animation options that you can do in Wix, and you can enhance the look and give it a proper look through the animation for the your sites. So thanks for watching.